Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Emberton III wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it and clear all the pairing history and everything like that. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not pairing with your phone or other device, or it's stuck in pairing mode or stuck paired to something and you can't get it undone. Or it's not syncing, it's not connecting to something, any sound issues. A factory reset can fix a lot of those kind of issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to delete everything it's been paired with in the past, clear everything out so that you can go ahead and set this up like it's a brand new speaker. It's really easy to do. The first thing you want to do is just go to any phone or anything you've had it paired with in the past and delete this off of the pairing history of the phone or whatever, because you're going to be setting this up as a new speaker anyways when we're done. So anyways, once we do that, we're going to make sure the speaker's on, and we're just going to come in and press the Bluetooth button and press and hold it for about 7 seconds. But basically, we're just going to keep an eye on the indicator light, and when the Bluetooth indicator, it'll turn red, and then the speaker will restart. It will have restarted back into its factory settings, and we can go ahead and set it up as a new speaker. If this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.